What to highlight in free reports to increase your sales in affiliate marketing. Free reports are the best follow-ups invented by the affiliate marketing world. Rare are the instances wherein you get to establish a sale just by a few convincing words on your pre-seller site, and so follow-ups are crucial. Some prospects need a little more courting before they finally make a decision of buying your product, and this is where free reports come in. Free reports can contain everything and anything under the sun about your products. However, doing just that might spoil your chances of ever closing sales with your ever-choosy prospects. In order for your free reports to bring you the results you want, and that is to increase your sales, you must focus on highlights instead of on complete information regarding the products your prospects might either already know or aren't interested to know. Highlighting the right things will eventually make your prospects say yes to your products. We like to buy products that are beneficial to us, therefore, you should highlight the benefits your product offers in your free reports. The chances that your prospects already know of the advantages of buying your product are high. It is more likely that these benefits are the reason behind their subscribing to your free reports. But it wouldn't hurt to constantly remind them of what they are missing out on, and what they can gain if they buy your product. Just remember to repackage the benefits you highlight once in a while, for no one likes reading the same things over and over again. Lastly, remember that although more benefits mean increased sales, don't overdo and exaggerate. Next, you might want to include testimonials in your free reports. Your prospects need to be reminded that your products can make real people happy, and that it can make them happy, too. Highlight testimonials you feel your prospects can relate most to. Again, no one likes to read the same things over and over again, and so vary the testimonials you place on your free reports. Another mistake affiliate marketers do with their free reports is that they bombard it with too many testimonials, especially if the product is worth testifying for. Highlighting 3 to 5 testimonials per free report is good enough. Prospects sign up for free reports because they want to know more about the product, so highlight any developments on your product in your free reports. Highlight any upgrades your products might have recently experienced, recent findings regarding the features and benefits of the products, and reviews reputable people, groups, and organizations have made on your product. Again, be varied. You'll never know what developments will catch the eye of your prospects, and bring you the increase in sales you have always wanted. However, knowing what to put in your free reports is not enough. Your reports should contain certain characteristics that would turn your prospective buyers into buyers. If you want more sales than just a meager month's worth of groceries and bills, then you should also take note of the following characteristics your reports should have in order to optimize sales. Use an active voice. Tell your prospects what to do, not what they can do. Instead of saying, "If you buy this product now, benefits here," say, "Buy this product now and benefits here." This little change can make a lot of difference in your sales. Just make sure you place your commands at the right places. Add a little spunk. Make your prospects love the things you put in your free reports. Make them laugh, cry, or think. A lot of the right attitude can go a long way, and your prospects are smart enough to determine attitude, even if it's written. If you make them feel good enough about reading about your product, you might finally get that increased sales you have been longing for. Be focused. Do not write about search engine optimization when you are promoting your products. That also goes for writing about multiple products in one report. Focus on one product only, and make your free reports in such a way that would make your prospects focus on buying your product. Free reports, again, are one of the best ways to increase your sales, that is, if done correctly. Remember that the goal of free reports is to convince your prospects that your products are what they need or want. If you have to, put yourself in your prospects' shoes, and focus on what they might like to see in the free reports. Combine that with the tips named in this article, and voila! You have your own recipe for increased sales through free reports.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.